So let me give the options first so that we can solve. So you all can verify it. So first option A, 2v cos theta. 2v cos theta. Option B, 2v cos theta by 2. Option C, 2v sin theta by 2. And option D, 2v sin theta. So this is the four options. So let us verify now. So we all know that 1 minus cos theta, which is equals to what? All of you. 1 minus cos theta means just now we have been found it. All of you. 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, that is what. So now apply the root for everything. So r is equals to root of 2v square. Next this one, 2 sin square theta by 2. So what will happen, guys? R is equals to, so observe very carefully, 2 into 2, I will make it how much? Root 4. Is it right or wrong? And this one, v square. Is it yes or no, ma? V square into, this one will become sin square theta by 2. So 2 square root 4 means 2, v square will get cancelled, root and sin will get cancelled. So what is the answer? All of you. Yes, please. 2v sin theta by 2. So what is the correct answer? Yes, please. Option?
Option C.
Option C.
C.
2v
C.
sin. Clear? Understood, everybody? Yes?
Yes,
That is what you have to remember. Okay, solve this question fastly. Any doubt, let me know. Understand, Mr. Pradosh? Monish? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Aswita, have you solved this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next. A boy moving with a 20 meter per second turns. A boy. Or you can take a body. A body moving with 20 meter per second turns by 60 degree. Continues with 20 meter per second. Find change in velocity. I'm giving 1 minute time. So find it fastly and let me know the answer. Answer, please. Anybody solve the answer, Pradosh? This much time, huh? Yes, please. Nothing is there. Change in velocity means in the sense of what? V2 plus minus V1. Is it right or wrong? That's all. Then apply the formula. R square is equals to A square plus B square plus.
Sir,
Yes. B square plus. Respond. B square minus 2AB.
Cos theta.
Okay. That is what you have to remember it. Okay. Now you can see. You can find in this way also, you can find it. Or else we know that. Just now we have been found it. So here, you can notice it. A plane moving with a velocity v turns by theta angle and its speed remains v. Then find the change in velocity of a plane. So then we have found the formula. What is the change in velocity formula? R is equals to, everybody. Yes, please. Theta means wrong answer. Rudresh for wrong answer. What is the formula? We found it. Everybody respond, guys. Change in velocity, how much? Formula. We have found that R is equals to, respond, 2 into V sine theta by 2. Okay. So 2 into velocity is how much? 20 into sine theta is equals to, they have given already theta. How much ra? 60 by 2.
60.
That's all. So sine 2 into 2, sorry, 40. So 40 into sine 30. So sine 30 value how much? Sine 30 value 1 by 2.
1 by
2 ones are 2 20s are. So what is the answer?
20
20 meter per second.
Rima brothers, that is the reason we solved that problem. Okay, very good, Ishal. Clear, Ardresha? Keep it in mind that. So whenever we are solving that, if the body is turning by v velocity turns by theta and continue with the same velocity. So then directly you can find the formula resultant force. VR is equals to, what is the formula? 2v sine theta by?
V sin theta by 2.
Sin theta by 2.
Theta by 2. That is the reason we derived that formula. Okay, Rudreshwa?
Sir, but we put the R square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta is coming 20 root 3, sir.
20 root 3.
Sir, it is coming.
Huh?
Root and square will get cancelled, sir.
Square it will go correct, Rudresha. Let us try first now. So A is also 20, 20 square and B is also 20 square. So next minus 2 into 20 into 20 into cos 60. Okay, wa? Yes or no? So that is what R
Yes,
square.
sir.
So let me take
Sir,
this
we have to take cos 60 or 120, sir.
cos 60. I think we have to take resultant, correct? Opposite, tail to tail we have to add. So we have to take 120.
Yes, sir.
Now 60, how much it is coming, Rudresha? Pradosh?
Sir,
So let me take 2
Sir,
into
angle between two vectors.
how much it is? Cos 60 means how much value? 1 by 2. Correct?
1 by
2 will get cancelled. So R square is equals to. So where it is that? Nothing is coming. So 2 into
sir,
20.
we have to take 120 only, sir.
Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2 only, yeah? Yes or
Sir,
no?
that
Yes,
only
sir.
it is, sir, but we have to take 120, sir.
Wait. 20 square and this is also 20 square. So what is the answer? Let me take now. This is, I will write it as a, can I write as a 20 square? 400 means 800. Okay, guys. This is 400. Hey, you are getting 60 only. Why you have to take 120, Rudreswar? Already tail to tail only they are joining. So 400. So R square is equals to root of 400. So which is equals to 20. Correct only, Ra?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why, Rudreswar, you are taking 120? I want to know.
Sir,
No, sir, I think
angle between
tail.
Rudreswar, observe very carefully. Tail to tail. For example, see, a body is traveling in this direction. Okay, Rudreswar? Sir,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So this A is equals to 20 meter per second. Now, body is not traveling with 120 degrees. Do you understanding like this? Purima? Body is making with us
Okay.
from the tail only. From the tail only, it is traveling. It is turns how much angle? It turns how much angle from that point? It turns only 60 degrees. Clear? And then it will continue with the same velocity, 20 meter per second. Then you have to take what? So resultant force is acting between them only. Purima? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is what. So you
Yes,
have
sir.
to make the parallelogram like this. This is the parallelogram. So what is the answer now? 60 or 120?
60.
Understood?
60.
So answer is how much? Both the cases same. Yes or no?
Yes,
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So be
Sir.
very careful. Next. Solve this question. Next. The difference of two unit vectors is a unit vector. The difference of two unit vector is a what? Everybody? Again unit vector. So what is a unit vector? We all know. Magnitude is how much? I already taught you. Magnitude is how much? 1.
1.
Yeah. So unit vector is a again unit vector. Find the angle between two vectors. That's all. So now they are saying, let me take two vectors. One is A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. And the difference between them also how much, Ra? Resultant also how much, Ra?
1.
1. So then they are asking the difference they have given. So the difference means in the sense of change in velocity only. So whatever it is. So now what is the formula we'll apply? R square is equals to A square plus B square minus
2AB
cos theta. So difference they have given 1 square, A square 1 square, B square 1 square minus 2 into 1 into cos theta. So cos theta only you have to find it. So 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 minus 2 into cos theta. So which is equals to 2 minus cos theta. So 2 minus 2 cos theta, you can see. So I will write now 1. So I will say from this one, 2 cos theta is equals to 2 minus 1. Is it right or wrong? Verify everybody. Clear? This one will come this side and this one will come this side. Okay, respond. So cos 2 cos theta is equals to 1. So cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. So cos theta 1 by 2 where? Which value? All of you.
60.
Cos 60.
Theta is equals to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So where guys? Cos 60 is equals to
60
1 by 2. 60 is equals to cos inverse of 1 by 2. So in place of cos inverse 1 by 2, how much angle I can write? Everybody.
60 degree.
Degrees. Purima.
60 degree.
Understand this one? That's all.
Yes, sir.
Theta is equals to
60 degree.
60 degrees.
60
Clear?
degree.
That is what you have tried it. Okay, guys. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Understand?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is what. Okay. Same way now I will give you one question. So let me take now. One is acting. F1 is equals to 10 newtons. And it will turns with angle of, that is what, F2 is equals to 20 newtons. Now, so the angle between them is 60 degrees. Then find F2 minus F1, change in 1. So you cannot find subtraction. So what you have to do, guys? F2 plus minus F1. Clear? And as well as you have to find tan alpha. Tan alpha means therema. Direction in what? Direction of resultant. Clear? Okay, will you all find it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you all can try it. Okay, guys. Okay, Rudreswa. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is what. Right, next question. That question you try it next. The sum and difference of two vectors. The sum and difference of two vectors are equal in magnitude. Find the angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors. Purima. So you must be able to understand that. First, the sum and difference of two vectors are equal in magnitude. Means in the sense of, if I take two vectors, let me take A is the one vector and B is the one vector. So if I add, the resultant vector is what? R1 is equals to A plus, everybody, B. And let me take R2 is equals to subtraction. A minus, respond B. Is it right or wrong? All of you.
Yes, sir.
That is what. But what they are saying, if you sum or difference, the two vectors having equal magnitude, means in the sense of what? R1 is equals to, all of you. R1 is equals to R2. So we know this is sum and addition. We cannot do addition like this. So we cannot subtract it. That is why what you have to do? A plus
A plus minus B.
So you know the formulas. So both substitute the formulas, understanding? So let us find the answers. Let me see who will say the answers first. So I will do first. R1 means A plus B. Next, R2 means A plus minus B. So find it, everybody. That's all. You cannot find I want theta. Let me see who will say. Substitute the formulas and find it. That's all, over. Substitute the formulas and find it. So we all knows this is R1 square. Let me square on both the sides. So square on both the sides. What will come? It will become R1 square and this is R2 square. Then R1 square formula what? A square plus B square plus Idra 2AB 2ab cos theta, which is equals to here a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. So a square, b square will get cancelled. So we'll get 2ab cos theta is equals to minus 2ab cos theta. Now, minus 2ab I will bring this side. It will become what? 2a cos theta plus 2a cos theta, which is equals to 0. Now, tell me, all of you, respond it. So now 2a cos theta plus 2a cos theta become what? All of you.
0.
4ab cos theta, which is
3ab
equals
cos
to
theta
0. Okay. Then from the cos theta is equals to 0 by 4ab, so which is equals to 0. So cos theta is equals to 0. So we all know cos 90 is
90
equals to
degree.
what? 0.
Cos
90 is
90.
equals to cos inverse of 0. So which is equals to, how much is the answer? Theta is equals to, respond guys,
90.
90 degrees. That is what we have to remember. Okay. But resultant vector how? Let us see. So all of you observe. If this is the thing, if I make 90 degrees means in the sense of this is the 90 degrees. Is it right or wrong? Everybody? All of you? Then if I
Yes, sir.
add a plus b means resultant force will act here. That is what? A plus b. But if I want a minus b, then what I have to do? A plus minus b. I have to extend the b in what direction? Everybody, this is the b and this is the a. So I have to extend b in what direction? All of you.
Downward
Negative direction. Understanding? Minus. This is what? Minus b. So then the resultant force will act like this. Understanding, Amma? So resultant force act like this. That is what? My a plus minus b. So if you notice it, angle between them 90. Angle between them also how much, Amma? 90. Okay.
90
And
degree.
what is the middle angle?
90.
This angle. What is the middle angle? This is also equals to how much? Everybody.
90.
Clear or not? Understand, Pradosh? Purima? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if cos theta equal to 0, we can take 180 and 360 also, no, sir.
Oh, you can take 180. This total is 180 only, yeah? A and B. A plus B, you can check it.
Cos 180 and cos 360 also 0 only, sir.
No, but cos, basically, we'll go with the cos 0 and cos 90 is only 0, correct? 180 and all, we cannot apply the forces, correct? We can apply the forces always, it may be less than 180 only we can apply, correct?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, if you go down means, again that, suppose, if you are in this range, till here if you apply the force 180, suppose if you cross 180 means again down also it is 180 only, correct? It won't be more than 180, correct? Half of. Understand?
Yes, sir.
If I check this circle, this is a 180. If I check a half above, that is also 180. So total equals to 180 and 180 only, yeah? Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Of course, I am checking now A and B, that's fine. But you have to remember the resultant force. A plus B means it is definitely positive side, yes or no? And A plus minus B means it is definitely negative side, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Okay. So theta equals how much? 90 degrees. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Of you. Next. Three vectors. A plus B plus C is equals to 0. If mod A is equals to 12, mod B is equals to 5, and mod C is equals to 13. Okay. Find the angle between A and B. Find the angle between A and B. That is what they are asking. Okay. So this is what you have to remember. So let me see who will answer. So all of you observe they have given that sum of that. They're just asking angle between A and B. So A plus B plus C, which is equals to what? Respond 0. Correct? All of you. Then I will write mod A plus B is equals to minus C. Is it right or wrong, everybody? All
Yes,
of
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, so this is what they are asking. What is the angle between them? So that is only we
Yes,
can say
sir.
what? Resultant. Is it right or wrong? All of you? So resultant
Yes,
means I will apply what? Mod and whole square, both the sides. I will apply. So I apply means what is the formula will come? This mod A plus mod B, which is equals to R square. So means whole square. So what is the formula of this one fully? We all knows. Everybody respond. A square plus B square plus 2AB
2AB
cos theta. Understanding? See, sir, here when minus will come to this word. Change in velocity. Purima. A plus minus, A plus minus B. By that time, the formula minus 2AB will come. Okay, guys? A square
Yes,
plus
sir.
B square plus 2AB cos theta, which is equals to C square, because mod. Both the sides I will apply the square. So mod means what? Negative or positive? Finally, it will become what? Everybody,
Positive.
only. So 12 square B is 5 square plus 2 into 12 into 5 into. Now we want to find cos theta only. What is the angle between A and B? So which is equals to C means what? 13 square. Right or wrong? Everybody? So that is what you have to remember it. Next. So 2 into, you can check it here, all of you. So now this all I will send it that side. So 2 into 15 into 5 into cos theta, which is equals to here. So 13 square minus 12 square minus 5 square. Ellame puriyuma? Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear? Understood or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now find the values and tell me, let me know. 13 square means how much? Find the value
0,
first.
sir.
169.
Zero.
First to tell me
69.
how much 13 square means?
169.
169.
169. 144 minus 25. So which is equals to 169 minus 169, which is equals to how much ra? 0.
Zero.
Understanding? So cos theta is
Zero.
equals to 0. This all will come. Of course, 2 into 12 into 5. So everything will become what? Yes, please.
Yeah.
0.
Zero.
So cos theta is equals to what? Everybody.
90.
Cos theta is equals to theta illa. Cos theta is
Zero.
equals to how much? That's all it is. Understanding,
Zero.
everybody? All of you understood or?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Find the angle between them, you can find it. So now if they want angle, then theta is equals to cos inverse of 0. So which is equals to theta is how much ra? Yes, please.
90.
90 degrees. That's all. Clear? Understand, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
So this is what, if you solve this question, then I'll give one question homework. So let me see how many of you solve. And if you solve that question, that's all. Then we will go to the next tomorrow's class. We will go to resolution of vectors and addition of 3 vectors. How to make 3 vectors addition. That is all we'll discuss it. Now, all of you remember, I am saying you addition of 2 vectors, A plus B, this is, and this one is A minus B. So that is what we have been done. Now, we have 2 vectors, 3 and 4. We have 2 vectors. What is the vector magnitude? Everybody. One is 3 and another one is what? 4. Okay. The resultant can be. Their resultant cannot be, they're asking. Their resultant cannot be, not can be. They're asking cannot be. So option A, 2, option B, 6, option C, 8, and option D, 4. So which is cannot be, they're asking. And you remember, in this case, we have to find actually, we need to know maximum minimum concept. If you want to solve this question, I'll give the clue and try to solve. If not, I will teach you. So we need to know max and minimum. So let us discuss that. Okay. So all of you remember, first, if it is a cos theta, be very careful. If it is the cos theta, then what is the cos theta maximum value will come? I already taught you some other time. Cos theta maximum. What is the value? Theta is equals to 90 not 1. Cos 0 is equals to how much ra? Cos 0 is equals to 1 only. Yes or no?
1.
Cos values will varies from
1.
1 to 1. Yes or no? That is what? So cos values varies from where to where? -1 to +1. So what is the maximum? +1 or -1? All of you.
+1.
+1. So that is what? So cos theta is maximum. So that is what? +1. Same way, sin theta also will varies. Sin theta is varies from, all of you remember, -1 and theta maximum. Maximum is how much? +1. Clear?
1.
Okay. So now they are asking,
Yes, sir.
you can do first A plus B whole square, resultant one. So you can find it. So what could be the value does not be? That is what you have to do it. So which is equals to R. So both the sides you can do the square. So we all know R square formula. Everybody, what is R square formula? A square plus B square plus 2AB
cos
cos theta. Clear? So try to solve this question. So if you are not understand, or else let me finish it, why we should worry. So we have to need to know maximum and minimum of this one. So let me apply first a plus b whole square is equals to, that is what r square. So you know the formula, r square is equals to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, please. Cos theta. Clear? So r square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Tell me cos theta is maximum. How much? Cos theta is maximum. Everybody.
1.
1. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. So r square is equals to, observe very carefully, a square plus b square plus how much it will become? 2ab. So this is similar to
2ab.
the formula. Can you tell me what is the formula? All of you.
A
plus
square
B.
plus
Yes, please. A plus
A
b
plus
plus
B
B
whole
whole
square.
square.
a plus b whole square. That is what r square. So r is equals to root of a plus b whole square. So which is equals to a plus b.
A plus
Understanding
B.
everybody? So a plus b means you will
Yes.
get r maximum or r minimum. Everybody. R maximum, which is
Maximum.
equals to a plus b. Understand? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So that is what. Now they have given two vectors, 3 and 4. Then the resultant vectors can be. So that is what they are asking. So you remember cos theta minimum. When is the cos theta minimum? Cos maximum is 1. Cos minimum is how much? Everybody.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. That is what you have to remember. So minus 1 means what, Rudreshwar? Minus 1. Theta is equals to how much by this time? Yes, please.
180 degree.
Cos 180 degrees. Purima, ella understood, amma? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what you have to remember.
Okay.
Okay. So all of you should remember that. So if you want to find, so be very careful when they are suppose. All of you observe very carefully. When they are suppose the resultant is like this, then what is the theta is equal to how much? Minimum. Theta is equal to how much? All of you. How much are
180.
theta? All of you respond.
180.
Theta is equals to 180 degrees. Means addition. So R maximum. Addition means what will come? A plus B. Okay. So A plus B means how much ra? Same direction or opposite direction? Same. Understand, Rudreshwar? That is what addition meaning.
Yes.
3 plus 4 means in the sense of what? How much is the maximum?
7.
7. Understand? Next. So if it is minimum means theta is 180. Means they are same direction or opposite direction? Everybody. Yes, please. Here same direction. Sorry. Here I have made mistake. Same direction means what is the theta? Theta is equals to what? Maximum. Correct? Cos theta is equals to maximum. Is it right or wrong? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then here
Yes, sir.
theta is not 180. What is the theta, Pradosh? Same direction means theta is equals to what?
0
When
degree.
0 degrees. Not 90, Pradosh. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Yes or no? Cos 0 is 1.
Yes.
Maximum. So what is the angle between them? What is the angle? 0. Understand? So that maximum value you will
0
get it.
degree.
Now they are asking minimum. So minimum means you observe very carefully. So all of you, minimum means both are same direction or opposite direction. Because angle is equals to what? -1.
Opposite direction.
So that theta is equals to what, ra? Everybody.
180 degree.
180 degrees. Then you apply the resultant force. R is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So cos theta is plus or minus? Everybody. Yes, please. Cos theta is how much, ra? -1 or +1? Minimum.
-1.
-1. So that formula will turns into what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Formula will turns into what? A minus b whole square. What is that? A minus b whole square. So R value is equals to R minimum. Minimum is
A
equals
minus
to what
B.
the formula will come? A minus b root of whole square will get cancelled. So R minimum value how much, ra?
A minus
A
B.
minus
A minus b. And remember that R minimum also will never be negative. So that is why I must put it in what, ra? I must put it in the mods. Understanding? So R value is always what? R value is always
positive.
Positive.
positive. Minimum or maximum doesn't matter. All of you remember that? Okay. So they always positive. That is what you have to remember it. Okay. So now if you verify 3 and 4, so you can make it. So what is the answers? So 3 minus 4. What is the answer? 3 minus 4, answer is -1. But it is never be negative. So all R minimum how much, ra? R maximum equals to 7 and R minimum equals how much, amma? R minimum equals to 1, not -1. That is what you have to remember. Okay, guys, everybody clear? So if you want to find maximum and minimum, you have to use cos values. Cos cos is minimum at -1, that is what theta equals to 180, and cos is maximum at +1, means theta is equals to what? Everybody, all of
0
you,
degree.
cos 0 is 1, and cos 90 is 0, and cos 180 is equals to what? Everybody, -1. So this is the maximum value, and this is the what value? Minimum value. Clear?
Minimum.
So between that only values varies. You carry on that. Okay. So this is what about it. So till here, all of you revise all the concepts, whatever I taught you. Now from here, tomorrow we'll start resolution of a vector and addition of 3 vectors. Okay. So first half of the chapter is very easy. Next only the toughest concept will start. That is what projectile motion. Guarantee question in IIT and NEET and all projectile motion questions. Okay. So first let us finish the vectors and we'll solve so many things, and you have to solve NCERT also, and then we'll proceed with the projectile motion. Okay, everybody. So till here, have you all understand? Really? Everybody able to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's what. So with this, I'll stop, and from here we'll continue. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow.